Today, I'm going to teach you how to enhance image quality in Adobe Express. This is a powerful way to make your photos look more professional by adjusting contrast, brightness, and other key settings that can really make your images pop. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Adobe Express workspace. After logging in, you'll land on the Adobe Express homepage where you can start creating. Click on Start New Design to begin a fresh project. From the options that appear, select Custom Size, which gives you full control over your canvas dimensions. Then click Create New File to proceed. Alternatively, if you already have an existing project you'd like to work on, you can select that instead. Now in the left sidebar, click the plus icon. This opens up the media options where you can add various elements to your design. From the menu that appears, select Media, then click on the Photos tab at the top. This is where you'll find images to work with. Use the search bar to find an image. For example, type cat and press enter. Adobe Express will display a variety of photo options based on your search. Browse through the results and choose the image you want by clicking on it. Once it's added to your canvas, resize it if needed to fit your design layout. With the image selected, look over to the left panel and click on Adjust. This is where all the magic happens. The Adjust panel gives you access to several enhancement tools that can dramatically improve your image quality. Navigate to Contrast and use the slider to adjust the contrast. Increasing contrast makes the difference between light and dark areas more pronounced, which can add depth and visual impact to your image. Slide it left or right until you achieve the look you're going for. Next, navigate to Brightness and use the slider to adjust the brightness. This controls the overall lightness of your image. If your photo looks too dark or washed out, tweaking the brightness can help balance the exposure. Now navigate to Highlights and use the slider to adjust the highlights. This affects the brightest parts of your image. Lowering highlights can recover detail in overly bright areas, while increasing them can make those areas more luminous. Move on to Shadows and use the slider to adjust the shadows. This controls the darker areas of your image. Lifting the shadows can reveal hidden details in dark spots, while deepening them can add drama and contrast. Navigate to Saturation and use the slider to adjust the saturation. Saturation controls the intensity of colors in your image. Boosting it makes colors more vibrant, while reducing it can create a more muted, subtle look. Next, navigate to Warmth and use the slider to adjust the warmth. This shifts the color temperature of your image. Moving the slider to the right adds warm orange tones, while moving it left introduces cooler blue tones. Finally, navigate to Sharpen and use the slider to adjust the sharpen. Sharpening enhances the edges and details in your image, making it appear crisper and more defined. Be careful not to overdo it, as too much sharpening can create unwanted artifacts. And there you have it. You've successfully enhanced your image quality in Adobe Express using a range of powerful adjustment tools. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.